Hairline.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Caroline, that's me. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing kind of like a hair get ready with me slash a voiceover chit chat conversation thing. I'm going to be making this hair not look like how it's looking. I'm gonna, do my baby hairs and detangle the curls, but the main part of the video is what I'm gonna be talking about in the voiceover. So basically, I'm going to stop doing sponsored hair reviews, or just stop recommending sponsored hair posts. But see, this is why I'm doing a voiceover. I just can't speak, but let's just get into the hair install. Listen to the voiceover. If you guys I really want your input, so go ahead and feel free to comment down below. And yeah, let's get right into the video. All right, so hopping straight into it. The main reason why I started doing YouTube hair reviews specifically is because when I was younger, I did not have money at all to be spending left and right on different hair companies. So I used to always go on YouTube and watch hair reviews to get honest, opinions on hair companies and see what is worth spending my money for. I also use these videos to kind of see what the hair is going to look like, the curl pattern, for inspiration and for important information. And I've come to realize that these days, a lot of people just like me start YouTube just to generally give a free hair review on the hair that they bought with their own money. And then what happens at that video, since it is a non-sponsored video, that video probably does really well. And then before you know it, the companies are reaching out to that influencer and they're giving her free hair left and right. And of course, why would you say no to free hair, especially if you're probably younger or you're in school or, because hair is expensive. So anybody offering free hair, why would you say no? The next thing you know, the YouTuber or influencer goes from doing unsponsored posts to actually doing sponsored posts, because as well, to keep up with the YouTube community, you kind of have to be consistent. To grow your channel, not only do you have to post consecutively and consistently, at least once a week, twice a week, so forth and so on, you also have to take a lot of your time just to film the video, edit the video, post it, and all of that. And that is a lot of work. And that is the main reason why I personally started doing sponsorships with hair companies, because, it takes care of those two problems. This way I get to have consistent hair to review on my channel without having to spend so much money, and I also get paid for the time and effort that I put in this video. I really do want to clarify, whenever, me specifically, I do a sponsored post or a company is paying me for a video, they are not paying me for my thoughts or my views on the hair. No, I'm being paid for the work that was put into this video. Even though my video is probably 15 minutes long, it probably took me 3 to 4, 5, 6 hours in my day to make the wig, to install the wig, to make the video, edit the video, make my thumbnail, all of that. That probably even took my whole day. So of course, I have to be compensated for that. They're not compensating me on if I like the hair or not. They're paying me for just, putting together the video, right? So with that said, that's why I didn't really see a problem personally with doing sponsorships or sponsored hair reviews, because it's at the end of the day, my thoughts are honest and I do care about what I'm putting out there. But it's come to honestly, my attention. I started to realize more that, not saying all, but some companies I feel are not very honest when they when they send you the hair. They'll probably, because it is a marketing after all. So of course they're going to want to send the influencer or whatever the really good quality hair, the one that's not going to shed, the best looking curls. And then maybe you, the regular consumer who goes online and buys it by yourself, you probably don't get the same thing. And that makes me just uncomfortable personally, because I genuinely want you guys to get good hair, because I know how much money and just how much stress it takes just to order hair. Let's not even talk about the money, just the stress it takes just to order hair online. So I don't want you guys to waste your time, and then there's something that I recommend and you go ahead and get it and it's just not as good. That makes me feel bad and also makes me look bad. And yeah, I don't want that anymore. So with that said, I've decided that I'm going to go back to doing non-sponsored hair reviews. So, I'm going to go back to my roots and I'm going to use my own money and I'm going to buy hair, starting off with like the very like popular hair companies, like, you know, IC, Ali Pearl, all of those, and kind of do like a honest non-sponsored hair review series where I'm gonna go through the whole like how long did it get to shipping, just the whole process. I'm actually gonna wear these wigs, probably like wear them for longer than I normally do, so I can make sure I'm getting you guys the best review. But with that said, that means these videos, I mean, keep in mind, since I am using my own money, they're not going to be as consistent. So maybe like once every 2 weeks, because I do have to wear these wigs long enough to give you also honest review. And plus, sis, I don't have the money to be out here spending daily or weekly on hair. Like, girl, I don't get paid enough for that. But also, with that said, I will still be working with companies on a sponsorship level as well, but those wigs will just be for like demonstration purposes. Like, I'm not gonna come here and try to like recommend you these companies or say, yeah, it's amazing and it doesn't shed, because girl, I don't know that. So I'm gonna use those for just like demonstration to like show you how to install or how to style and all of that kind of like hair inspiration. But I'm not going to actually use my own mouth and use my platform to, you know, sponsor the hair without me actually going and using my own money. But hey, if the video does really good and a lot of you guys are requesting more of these videos, and you know the YouTube ad revenue is looking really nice, then I will have more money to actually go buy more hair and make more of these videos. So, you know, it's a win-win for all of us. Oh, and another thing, if I am working with like a sponsored hair and the hair is obviously trash, I think I will go ahead and let that be known in the video. Because one thing I also did is that sometimes whenever the hair wasn't the best, or like it was shedding a lot, or just like really, really bad, I just wouldn't post the video because I felt like you guys don't want to know about bad hair companies, you want to know about the good hair companies. But no more of that also. If the hair is not the best quality and it's trash, I'm going to go ahead and post that video so you can know, beware, do not buy this hair. So even if it's like a sponsored video, and if the company doesn't want to pay me because I'm talking bad about their hair, well, honestly, I don't care, because that's the whole point of this, is for me to give you guys honest and genuine reviews. So yeah, but so that is really all I had to say. If you have any suggestions or comments, if you agree, disagree, or have like, you know, maybe I can address this or do something different, feel free to just, you know, talk to me in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you who support me. It means a lot. For every like, comment, and subscribe means so much to me. I really do appreciate every one of you, which is why I feel like, you know, it's honestly my duty to y'all to give you the most honest and genuine hair review. So yeah, because you are the one who goes out and buys the hair that I recommend. So it's my job to be as honest as possible, because I don't want y'all out here wasting money. Money doesn't go on trees. But let me stop rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and, you know, watch to the end of the video to see the final look. But peace out, Girl Scouts, and I'll see you guys in another one. Goodbye.